Hey, so we're in here in SongMaker, and this is a really cool. It's kind of like you're making your own loop. And so this area up here, this area is controlled by these instruments. So right now it's set to marimba, and you can scroll through. Um, I'm kind of interested in that. I'll just do. Well, what that sounds like. Okay, maybe I'll stick to piano. So this is how you just enter notes, and you could just put them anywhere you want. That's kind of symmetrical. You can make a smiley face if you want. Maybe the eyes need to be higher. So then this is cool. You can hear what it sounds like. And my computer's kind of glitching because I'm recording this. So that's kind of interesting. If you don't like it, just delete the blocks and move on to some other shape. So all this area is controlled by this instrument. Now, this area right here, where these little circles, those are controlled by these instruments. So they're kind of like percussion. If you notice, I'm trying to create some symmetry going on here, but I don't know, make it irregular. All right, let's see what that sounds like. Um, see what that sounds like. So my computer right now, it's not playing it like as smoothly because I'm recording my screen for you all. So, but yeah, you can change how fast it goes right here. So let's say I want it really cooking here. Probably not gonna. Um, yeah, and so you can change the sounds. What's that sound like? I'm not really a fan of the percussion that I laid down. So I want you all to see something what I'm doing. I spent about a few minutes basically trying things out, right? So it's not just a one-time deal, and I press save and I complete the assignment. Make something interesting. See if it's play with all of the parameters to get something that you would feel good about sharing. I wonder what that sounds like. Here, maybe I can get it smoother if I take off the instruments. Yeah. Well, just play around. When you're done, you're gonna you're gonna click save, and it's gonna take you to this screen, which is cool because it gives you a link, and so your song is always retrievable, and you can always go back and change it. For our assignment, when you're done, go ahead and press copy link. All right, when you've copied that, um, go ahead and paste that link into the Google Classroom assignment, and then click submit. That way, I can go out and hear your songs. All right. Hope you have some fun here. Yeah, and that's really the most important thing here is have some fun, make a cool loop, and we'll take a listen at them next week.